Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to talk about two new phones that I got from a friend. I paid $20 for this S8 Active, and he gave me this iPhone 3G. So let's go ahead and take a look at him. This S8 Active has a non-cracked screen. Let me wipe it down real quick. The screen is not cracked. As you can tell, it's actually in really good shape, but the AMOLED panel is broken. You can kind of see behind there in Galaxy S8 Active. It kind of works behind there. The touch still works and everything, but I think we're going to drop test this phone because it is the active version. And like I said, the screen I looked up on eBay is like $160, and it's just not worth it on this phone. So, like I said, it's probably going to be a drop test phone. As you can see, it still works up there at the top. It looks like it was reset too, so here's the slider for the brightness. I think maybe, I could be wrong. Let me see if I can slide it down, yeah. I don't know guys, but there's that one. And then we have an iPhone 3G, 16 gig, or no, it's 8 gig. It does work, he said. I haven't charged it yet. I can't find my iPhone 3G charger, but yeah, she is missing the buttons. The case is broken. This is typical iPhone 3G and 3GS models. They always do this. But other than that, it seems like it's coming apart here. I am going to buy some housings and fix up all these other iPhone 3Gs I have. Oh, look, it is on. It's almost dead, though. But yeah, it's jailbroken, too. It looks like it is running. It's 8%. It is running. It looks like iOS 5 something. No, 4.2.1. Looks like I need to reset it. But there's that one. And I want to show you all my other iPhones. Or 3Gs, I should say. I'll show you the 3G and 3GSs I have. Maybe I can get some parts off of them. So here are my iPhone 3G and 3GSs. This is an iPhone 3G. It's 8 gig. It works, but it's got a dead LCD. Or not dead, but it's got some dead pixels in it, as you can tell. Here is the iPhone 3G that we drop tested. So it has a cracked screen. This is an iPhone 3GS. I think this is one I bought off eBay that works just fine. And I think this is an iPhone 3GS as well that works. Or it doesn't work. I don't remember actually. Actually, I think this is the one that doesn't have power because it's missing the volume buttons. But this 3G and this 3GS right here work. And now we have another 3G to add to it. So, power buttons. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I guess stay tuned for the drop test on this one. Like I said, I'm going to buy some housings and metal rings and brand new screens and LCDs for some of these iPhones to start restoring them up. Also, I got a whole bunch of iPhone 4s we're going to do. I got an iPhone 5. I'm going to buy a screen and frame and back cover for a Note 3 that I have. We also need to get a screen for the LG G3 that we bought. That's on AT&T. I got this Motorola that we got from Retrocomms. We need to get a screen for. I think that, yeah, right here, the AMOLED panel is cracked right here. So we need to get that. We also need to get a screen for our Droid Razr, which does work still, it's just cracked. So yeah, we got a whole bunch of stuff to do, guys. Here's that Note 3 we got to get a screen for. A screen, a frame, and a back cover and a mid frame for this one. This was actually my personal phone at one time. It does still work. It just needs all those parts. And that should be some videos coming up. We'll see how those go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And say hello to our two new phones of the channel. And we also got the Samsung Captivate, which I've already done a video on. It should be uploaded before these ones. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Today is the last day to enter. Well, I guess technically tomorrow. around 5-ish when I get off work, will be the last day to enter. And I will do a name pick around 9 o'clock. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.